Hi, good morning everybody. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. I am coming to you on Monday, February the 3rd. The reason I'm saying that, and hopefully I'll be putting this video out on Monday. The reason I'm saying that is I have a few videos scheduled for later in the week that I had done weeks ago. Not that it's not that you're bothered by that, but if I look different or whatever, they're back then and now is now, and I have a few things to upcoming, and I just wanted to let you know that on Friday, February the 7th, my friend Jen is coming. We'll be chatting away and visiting with you guys, whatever we have to say. I haven't seen Jen for a while, but we'll find out if she has any news. I don't know when I'll be putting that video up, but we have that to look forward to. And also, I had gotten an email, a text this morning from my friend Tara. Now, I don't know if you've been watching, if you're new here, my friend Tara Talbert, she had joined Ian and I and Maxwell and Jen at the quilt show back in September of 2024. In Oaks, Pennsylvania, with her two daughters, Becky and VJ. I'm going to put some pictures up at the end. Tara's a very good friend. We see her most every week, and very, very clever, talented people, these people, doing all sorts of crafts. About 6 months ago or so, we had a crafternoon where all of our friends, all of our sisters got together at somebody's house, at Becky's house, and not that Becky, another Becky and Jim's house, and had a crafternoon. Oh, it's so nice. The talent in these people, unbelievable. I quilt. And I do a little bit of beading. I have done lots of crafts, but right now I'm just pretty much into quilting. At the time I was doing my embroidery, if you remember, but all sorts of crafts. And Tara was sort of almost teaching people, some of our friends, how to do a simple crochet. And it's so funny. Excuse me, I have a frog in my throat. My mother-in-law, Hazel, was an avid knitter and crocheter, mostly knitting. And I really, really wanted to learn how to knit because I had done every craft. I think I told you guys this before. But because I've never been diagnosed as dyslexic. I don't have trouble with words, but I do have trouble, like I don't know lefts and rights unless I think about it. And then I'm way past the intersection. It's happened dozens of times. I can't really read a clock, like a clock face. I have difficulty with that. And she was trying to teach me how to knit, and of course it's holding the sticks, or what are they called? Knitting needles, and then it's like left over right, and I could cross stitch. She was amazed. She said, you can cross stitch like on 28 grid, like linen. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Counting stitches, but I couldn't get the manual dexterity of knitting. I tried and tried and tried. Or crocheting. I just couldn't get it. It's funny because I can do all sorts of crafts, but knitting and crocheting are beyond me for some reason. And I wanted to learn. It's not like I didn't want to. It's just so funny. But anyway, I digress. Tara, I got a text from her this morning. I decided to launch a YouTube channel. The simple intro video goes live this morning at 9 o'clock. Talbert Craft Corner. T-A-L-B-E-R-T Craft Corner. So I just looked it up, of course. Oh, please excuse me. I haven't had anything to eat this morning. I just looked it up, and it's just a little clip introduction of Tara and her two daughters, who are super clever, and they're going to be doing videos. And she didn't ask me, but I am saying, if you're watching this, please go to Talbert Craft Corner on YouTube and subscribe to Tara and her daughters. Clever. You'll be rewarded with some clever crafts from they're sweet girls. So that's that. Clever Tara, thank you so much. Jen is coming. Oh, just the one last thing I wanted to let you know. Monday, February the 3rd, I am feeling better, thank you. Last week I had put a video up of how I was in excruciating pain and didn't realize what it was. Well, drum roll, it was a kidney stone. Yeah, I had a kidney stone about 8 years ago. Maybe about 10 years ago. Went to the hospital because it was so excruciating. As anybody who has experienced a kidney stone knows. When I went to the hospital about 10 years ago, we didn't have insurance. We always had insurance for our children. We never had insurance for Ian and I. And we stayed very, very healthy when you don't have insurance. We have insurance now. But they had done testing back then, and it was the size of a small pea. I think it was 8 something, I don't know, 8 millimeters, something like that. It was quite large, and it put me in hospital. And I was scheduled for surgery. They did the whole 9 yards. And I was almost like being wheeled in, and they said, oh, well, never mind. And I'm like, what? It'll dissolve on its own. We decided not to zap it. I'm like, what? Because we had no insurance. So I was just in agonizing pain back then, and I was in agonizing pain this week when it hit me on Tuesday night when I had my little flare. It had moved, and we discovered that it was a kidney stone. It has since passed. I am feeling so much better. But again, thank you all for your suggestions, because I don't go rushing to the doctor. Everybody's like, go to the doctor, go to the doctor. Well, I don't. Sorry, we don't go running to the doctor at our first pain. We have maintained a fairly decent health history. Some things, I say that, I'm like, I had gotten sick, I had gotten COVID, I had long COVID, I had everything, I had pneumonia. But when we needed to have it treated, we had it treated. But finally, yeah, it was a kidney stone. It has passed. It was excruciating. So thank you all for all of your kindness and all of your love and all of your comments and suggestions. We really appreciate that. Got to the bottom of that. Oh, I hope that doesn't happen again, because that pain, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So yeah, so that's that. Jen is coming. I have a few projects in my head that I will be getting to, I think. Again, a few videos coming up, just a few little silly videos coming up again. And Ask Me Anything segment, if you have any questions, just ask me and I'll answer them for you. And yeah, please go look up Tara Talbert Craft Corner. It'll be interesting. So I don't say it for my channel, and you know it, but what is it that people like, subscribe, hit the notification button for Tara's. She'll appreciate that. All right, folks, stay safe, keep healthy. And yeah, have a good one. Love from the Trueloves. Bye-bye.